NASA organizes great mission to study extraterrestrial life in the moon ocean of Saturn. July 17, 2019. Could the huge ocean of Saturn's largest moon sustain the extraterrestrial life? NASA organizes great mission to study extraterrestrial life in the moon ocean of Saturn. It's been almost 15 years since NASA's Cassini-Huygens spacecraft sent a module to the surface of Saturn's largest moon, Titan, and much of what we've learned about the mysterious ocean world derives from that mission. But NASA is planning to change that. A project funded by NASA's Astrobiology Institute, led by researchers at the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory, will try to find out if life could exist in the oceans on the icy moon, and whether its thick atmosphere could sustain it. The question is whether complex hydrocarbons could exist on Titan's surface, thanks to the combination of gases found in the atmosphere, including hydrogen, methane and nitrogen. The news is published after NASA announced that it will send a small drone to Saturn's moon, Titan, to explore its surface. Although NASA plans to launch the mission in 2026, the drone will not arrive there before 2034. But there are many things we can collect from previous data collected by Cassini-Huygens, because we suspect that Titan is covered in oceans in the first place. Mike Malaska, deputy principal investigator for the project at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, told Astrobiology. What we do not know is the exact composition of the ocean, its density, its thermal profile, the general structure of the icy crust on top of it. The ambitious 5-year project of the Astrobiology Institute has built a 30-member team to explore Saturn's moon. The data will come courtesy of NASA's Cassini-Huygens mission in the Atacama Large Millimeter/Submillimeter Array in Chile, an observatory that NASA teams have used to study Titan's atmosphere. Alaska said, "Our science is following the organic molecules on their way from the top of the atmosphere where they are built through the crust to the ocean, and if there is biology going on down there, how these organic ones rise to the surface and become visible." The project has 4 main objectives. First, the team wants to understand how the molecules are transported from the Titan's surface to their oceans. Second, they want to find out if organic complexes are capable of surviving in the vast oceans of Titan's subsurface. Third, depending on how the first 2 goals are, the next step is to explore how much chemical energy is available for life to metabolize. Finally, the team wants to find a way to detect biosynatures that remain in the ocean, a particularly complicated task, as Titan's oceans are covered by an outer shell and an organic-rich atmosphere. If all goes according to plan, NASA's Dragonfly drone helicopter will land in the distant ocean world 15 years from now. Until then, we will probably have a much better understanding of what awaits the spacecraft there.